This is really going to change the way cancer is diagnosed and treated in the future. You heard there from two women who had these prophylactic mastectomies. They carry what's called the BRCA1 gene, and at the moment scientists can only tell them that they have a roughly 65% chance of developing cancer in their lifetime. But what they've done, they've found more changes in the DNA, not genes, just changes in the DNA. And if you're unlucky and you inherit a whole series of those, your risk of developing cancer could be as high as 90 or even 100%. But some of the changes are protective, so your risk is much lower. And this is going to change the way doctors treat it. Now, they use this technology, it's called a DNA chip that just scans DNA rapidly. And they believe that they could use this technology so that in future you go to your GP, you spit into a tube, and there at the GP surgery you'll get a cancer profile, and the test only costs £5. So everybody could get this genetic profile. Now, we spoke to a series of people today. One chap, Charlie, who's 81, he's smoked all his life and he's had no health problems whatsoever. And he says that maybe that has something to do with his genes.
I just put it down to luck, but there's obviously something in the genes that determines whether you fall for cancer or you somehow manage to avoid it in spite of the risks of smoking and whatever.
So all this is going to tell us a lot about this balance between our genetics and our lifestyle and how that determines our future health chances. And also it could lead to new screening tests for prostate cancer, example, Kay, where there isn't a screening test at the moment, but with this powerful information coming from genetics, doctors should be able to pinpoint the men at highest risk and target the resources at those men only.